iPhone 18 Pro Max. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is not yet released or officially priced by Apple. Industry analysts and leak reports estimate that the starting price will likely increase due to higher production and component costs, projecting a base price between $1,399 and $1,499. The screen size of the iPhone 18 Pro Max will stay at 6.9 inches, matching the previous iPhone 17 Pro Max style. However, rumors indicate it will be slightly thicker, about 0.25 millimeter, and heavier to accommodate a nearly 10% larger battery. The iPhone 18 is not available now. Apple is expected to announce the high-end iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max models in September 26, while the standard base iPhone 18 model is rumored to be delayed until early 2027. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to be noticeably heavier and thicker, with leaked details pointing to a weight of approximately 240 grams and a thickness of around 9 millimeters. This would make it roughly 7 to 10 grams heavier than its predecessor and tie it with the iPhone 14 Pro Max as the heaviest iPhone ever made. The upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to launch in 4 colors: a signature dark cherry, light blue, silver, and dark gray, or space black. The iPhone 18 Pro Max will look very similar to the previous iPhone 17 Pro Max, keeping the same 6.9-inch screen size. Visible changes include a slightly narrower dynamic island, a thicker rear camera plateau to support a new variable aperture lens, a more unified color-matched back glass, and a rumored new dark cherry signature color option.